Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lakwatserong Butike. Mula sa Mary Immaculate Parish, ang Nature Church ng Las Piñas City. Nandito na ako ngayon sa Diocesan Shrine of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso di Palanyag o kilala sa pangalang St. Andrew's Cathedral dito sa Parañaque City. Medyo umaambo na. Sisilong muna ako dito guys. The Diocesan Shrine of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso, also known as Parañaque Cathedral or St. Andrew's Cathedral, is one of the oldest churches in the Philippines, located in Parañaque City. Established on May 11, 1580 by the Spanish Augustinians, it is at present the seat of the Diocese of Parañaque, which comprises the cities of Parañaque, Las Piñas, and Muntinlupa. St. Andrew's Cathedral started when Augustinian missionaries set foot on a fishing village near the sea, some kilometers south of Manila, more than 400 years ago. The missionaries' purpose was to evangelize the natives in order to facilitate the conquest of the islands for Spain. The town was called Palanyag, the contraction for the word paglalayag, which means sailing. At that time, Palanyag consisted of several nipa huts grouped as a residential settlement known as barangays. Fray Elvero Horde Perez, OSA, being the Augustinian historian in the 19th century, wrote that as early as 1575, the provincial chapter subjected the populace of Palanyag to the patronage of St. Andrew, and later on to the advocacy of the Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso di Palanyag, an image of the Blessed Virgin Mary enthroned on August 10, 1625. The pioneer missionary in Parañaque was Fray Juan de Orto, OSA. Although based in Manila, he started to administer to the spiritual needs of the village folks in 1575. In 1580, Fray Diego de Espinal, OSA, was appointed superior in the convent of Parañaque. He established a mission house with its spiritual jurisdiction reaching up to Cavite el Viejo. He was assisted by Fray Francisco Campos, OSA. The Conference of Chiefs of Religious Order, held on May 11, 1580, accepted Palanyag as an independent town, and it is in this date which the foundation day of the parish of St. Andrew the Apostle was officially known, under the patronage of St. Andrew, patron of fishermen. Since there was no income for parish maintenance at that time, royal support, as ordered by King Felipe II, was given to each religious order who worked on the conversion of the natives. Parañaque, in 1589, was given a periodic sustenance which consisted of 200 pesos and 200 bushels of rice for the two religious assigned at St. Andrew. Later on, financial assistance was given to buy wine and oil to keep the Blessed Sacrament lighted. During the 16th and 17th century, the parish of St. Andrew was made up of only a few homes found mostly along the Parañaque River and Manila Bay in the present barrios of Don Galo, La Huerta, and San Dionisio. Later, Tambo, Santo Niño, and Baclaran developed. In 1662, when the Chinese pirate Koxinga threatened to invade Manila, Governor General Sabiniano Manrique de Lara ordered the demolition of all stone churches and convents located outside Intramuros, Manila. The stones were used to beef up the defenses of Manila as well as to prevent its use by the enemy as defenses. More than a dozen churches and convents, which included the only one in Parañaque, were turned down. The original convent of St. Andrew was demolished. Fray Eusebio Polo, OSA, was the parish priest of St. Andrew in 1759 during the British invasion of Manila. He was then succeeded by Fray Manuel de Santo Tomas Garcia, OSA, in 1762. Both priests were deported to Goa, India, with 12 other fellow Agustinians. Before Manila Archbishop Jaime Il Cardinal Sin, D.D., retired, he erected new dioceses due to the increasing number of the Catholic population. One of the newly formed dioceses was the Diocese of Parañaque. Manila Auxiliary Bishop G.C.E. Mercado, D.D., then serving as the district bishop of the Ecclesiastical District of Parañaque, former known as the District of Pasay, PPLM, was appointed as its first bishop on January 28, 2003. Every year, the parish community of St. Andrews celebrate two main feasts. First of them is the feast of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso de Parañaque. There was a plenty of misinformation about the feast of Our Lady of Buen Suceso de Parañaque. After the World War II, up to year 2004, the feast is celebrated every 29th day of November. Therefore, there is no original feast, and it depends upon the situation and needs of the faithful. The feast day of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso de Parañaque was then moved to August 10 in the year 2005, in line with her enthronement in this said parish by the Agustinians back in the year 1625. A novena prayer in honor of the Blessed Virgin is prayed for 9 days before the actual feast day. Translation happens during the first day of novena from Santa Monica Chapel to Cathedral. But during the term of Reverend Father Rolando Agustin, the translation was stopped because, according to Father Agustin, it's unliturgical. During the feast day itself, a procession is held at around 4 p.m. and a solemn Mass follows. The same is also done during the feast day of the parish patron, Saint Andrew the Apostle. On January 25, 2009, Reverend Monsignor Manuel G. Gabriel, the parish priest and rector of the Cathedral Parish, launched the major renovation of the cathedral with the blessing of Most Reverend G.C.E. Mercado, D.D. The renovation has changed the major altar, placing the crucifixion its center, adding two side altars, Altar of Saints and Altar of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso, replaced the glass windows with stained glass featuring some of the important events in the life of our Lord Jesus, placed new marble stone on the floor and replaced the roof and ceiling of the cathedral, painting the interior walls, replaced the doors, replaced air conditioning units, and has restored the image of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso and Saint Andrew the Apostle. The Cathedral and Parañaqueños celebrated the 430th anniversary of Saint Andrew's Cathedral as a parish on May 11, 2010, with its theme, The Great 430th Year of Evangelization and Grace. Come, let us sail and roll. It was a one-week celebration starting May 11, 2010, until the blessing of the cathedral on May 22, 2010. The program included Parañaque traditions such as Grand Sunduan of all sub-parishes, San Dionisio, Santa Monica, San Nicolas, and San Antonio. Sayaw ng Pagbati Festival, Komedya ng San Dionisio, Food and Crafts Exhibit, Music Festival, and the Parañaque Palanyag Movie. On August 10, 2012, Feast Day, with the DOP Decree Number 2012-005, the Cathedral Parish of St. Andrew was officially made into a diocesan shrine of the Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso de Palanyag. After the greeting during the Mass, Most Reverend Bishop G.C. Mercado, D.D., through Reverend Father Carmelo Istores, read the declaration of the Cathedral Parish of St. Andrew as the diocesan shrine of Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso de Palanyag. Mula naman dito sa Parañaque Cathedral, tatawid na ang butiki papuntang Obando, Bulacan. Abangan nyo ako doon, guys. Lumalakas na ang ambon eh. Gagapang na ang butiki pauwi. Bye-bye!